Stop settling for a screen. Stop fighting your room's ambient light. Stop telling yourself that a 100-inch picture is an impossible dream. You are about to learn the secrets of the Valerion VisionMaster Max. This is not a projector. It is a triple laser home cinema engine. A single box designed to replace your television, your gaming monitor, and your movie theater subscription. It is the end of the line for home entertainment compromise. But here is the truth. If you just plug this device in and hit play, you are wasting thousands of dollars. The VisionMaster Max has a brain, an AI-driven core, that needs to be unlocked. It has a motorized lens system that is currently dormant and a gaming mode so fast, it's a competitive advantage. For the next 30 minutes, I will walk you through the ultimate calibration, the hidden settings, and the ecosystem integrations that transform this projector into the 300-inch king of contrast. If you own this or are thinking about owning it, prepare for a complete revolution in how you watch, play, and live. Phase 1. The Triple Laser Revelation. Let's begin with the single most important component, the triple RGB laser light source. This is the heart of the machine, and it's why this projector is shattering expectations. Traditional projectors use a single wheel or color filter that constantly compromises. The VisionMaster Max uses 3 distinct lasers, one red, one green, and one blue. This means it creates color purely, without any filtering or dilution. The result is color volume that exceeds 100% of the massive Rec. 2020 standard, a color space that many expensive flat panel TVs can't even reach. When you watch an animated film, the colors don't just look vibrant, they look physical. But the real magic is what this triple laser technology does for brightness and contrast. At 3,500 ISO lumens, this projector is a daylight monster. It's so bright, you can genuinely use it in a living room with the curtains open. This brightness then pairs with the unique dynamic iris and the enhanced black level, or EBL, algorithm. The dynamic iris physically closes its aperture during dark scenes, while the EBL system analyzes the frame in real time. This combined effort plunges the black levels into a near OLED darkness, delivering a contrast ratio that blows away virtually every other long-throw projector on the market. You get the blinding highlights of a laser and the profound, inky blackness of a true theater, and a huge relief for veterans. Valerion has implemented anti-RB technology to eliminate the dreaded rainbow effect that plagues many DLP projectors. If you have been sensitive to that flicker in the past, rest assured, this projector has solved the problem. Phase 2. Installation perfection and OpticFlex control. The most complicated part of any projector is the setup. Valerion has automated the physics of projection. The VisionMaster Max features a fully motorized OpticFlex lens system. This means you never have to physically touch the lens barrel to zoom or focus. You do it all with the remote. This is more than a convenience. It's a calibration tool. You can zoom and focus with pixel-level precision, all from your viewing seat. But the real star here is the motorized lens shift. This is a feature usually reserved for projectors costing 5 figures. It means you don't have to perfectly center the projector with the screen. You can place the projector on a low shelf, high on a ceiling mount, or even slightly off to the side, and then use the remote to mechanically shift the image vertically by over 100%. This keeps the image geometrically perfect, avoiding the resolution-killing distortion of digital keystone correction. If you are serious about picture quality, the lens shift is the feature that preserves your 4K signal integrity. And for the user who moves their system, the auto-correction system, just move the projector, and its internal sensors instantly zoom, focus, and align the image to the screen. It is true plug-and-play simplicity for a projector of this caliber. It removes all the pain points of ceiling mount installation, making it feel like installing a large TV. Phase 3. The ultimate gaming advantage. A sudden shift to an aggressive, focused electronic track. If you own a PlayStation 5 or an Xbox Series X, listen closely. This projector is not just a cinema tool. It is a competitive gaming display. The VisionMaster Max delivers input W as 4 milliseconds at 1080p and 240 Hz. I want you to understand that. For milliseconds. That is faster than almost every high-end flat panel TV on the market. Projectors traditionally have a massive lag problem. Valerion has solved it with a dedicated AI SoC chipset and HDMI 2.1 ports. It supports auto low latency mode, or ALLM, meaning the second you launch a game on your console, the projector instantly switches into its fastest, lowest lag mode. No more digging through menus. But the power features continue. It supports ultra-wide aspect ratios like 21:9 and 32:9. If you're a PC gamer, you can use those cinematic resolutions on your massive screen, creating a level of immersion that a desktop monitor can only dream of. It also has specialized gaming tools like a crosshair overlay and dark detail optimization built directly into the game bar interface, giving you a tactical edge in competitive shooters. The takeaway is simple. You can game on a 300-inch screen with a response time that rivals a professional esports monitor. This level of speed and scale is unprecedented in home projection. Phase 4. Filmmaker and Smart Ecosystem Mastery. Now, let's wrap this all together with the content and smart home intelligence. The VisionMaster Max supports virtually every cinematic format you could demand. IMAX Enhanced, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Filmmaker mode. This is crucial. When you put in a 4K Blu-ray or stream a premium title, the projector automatically recognizes the format and engages the specific picture settings prescribed by the studio. This means the projector is doing the complicated technical work for you, ensuring you're watching the content exactly as the director intended, with perfect color and tone mapping. Speaking of tone mapping, the dynamic tone mapping is a secret weapon for HDR. High dynamic range content has massive shifts in brightness. The projector analyzes the incoming signal scene by scene and adjusts its laser output and iris to ensure you don't lose detail in the brightest whites or the deepest shadows. It's what makes HDR truly pop on this screen. The operating system is Google TV. This is fantastic because it means you get a fast, familiar, and highly stable smart interface with native access to every major US streaming service: Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and HBO Max. You don't need a separate streaming stick. And because it runs on a powerful chipset with 4 GB of RAM, the interface is lightning fast and responsive. Finally, the smart home integration is complete. With support for Google Home, Apple HomeKit, and Alexa, you can simply use voice commands to control the projector. "Hey Google, turn on the projector" can be combined with "dim the lights" to automate your entire movie night. Conclusion: your theater is here. You have now mastered the Valerion VisionMaster Max. You understand the power of the triple laser for unparalleled color and brightness. You know the magic of the motorized lens shift for effortless, perfect installation. And you know the 4-millisecond secret that makes this the ultimate projector for high-speed gaming. This device is a statement. It is a commitment to the absolute best in home entertainment scale and quality. Don't let it sit on a basic factory preset. Dive into the settings. Adjust that judder reduction. Check your EBL mode. Your life-sized, cinematic, 300-inch dream theater is now a reality. All you have to do is hit play. You must utilize the dedicated HDMI eARC port. This port is not just for sound output. The E stand for enhanced. This is the only port that can handle the full, uncompressed, high bitrate audio formats like Dolby True HD and DTS HD Master Audio from your streaming apps or a connected source. If your high-end soundbar or A/V receiver is not plugged into this specific port, you're choking the audio signal down to a basic, compressed format. Check your connections immediately. Now, for a niche but powerful feature, Bluetooth output with lip sync correction. If you're using wireless headphones or a portable Bluetooth speaker, there's often a slight, annoying delay between the picture and the sound. The VisionMaster Max has an advanced lip sync setting hidden in the audio menu. This allows you to manually delay the audio output by a few milliseconds until it perfectly matches the laser light striking the screen. This is crucial for maintaining immersion and is the sign of a truly premium product. Finally, the Auto Sound Optimization. The projector has internal microphones. Run the sound calibration feature once when you set up your room. It analyzes your room's unique acoustics, the echoes, the soft furniture, the hard walls, and digitally adjusts its internal EQ to deliver the most balanced, distortion-free sound possible. It's like having a sound engineer tune the projector for your specific space. Phase 9. The future and longevity. This is a long-term investment. How does the VisionMaster Max stay relevant for years? The answer is in the laser engine and the cooling system. The triple laser light source is rated for 30,000 hours of use. Let's put that into perspective. If you watched 4 hours of television every single day, it would take you over 20 years before the brightness degraded to half its original level. This completely eliminates the need for expensive, complicated lamp replacements, a major pain point of traditional projection. You buy it once, and it's a lifetime of premium viewing. The sealed optical engine is another massive benefit. Dust, the enemy of every traditional projector, cannot get into the internal light path or settle on the chips. This means your picture will remain pristine, free of those annoying little dark spots or artifacts that ruin the image quality of lesser models over time. This is maintenance-free projection, which saves you service costs and guarantees long-term clarity. And for firmware, always keep your Google TV operating system updated. Valerion pushes frequent updates that improve HDR, tone mapping accuracy, and motion processing algorithms. Unlike static TVs, the brain of this projector is constantly learning and being refined by the manufacturer. A simple overnight software update can suddenly unlock better picture quality, greater speed, or new smart features. Think of it as free performance upgrades. Conclusion: no compromise. We've reached the end of the ultimate masterclass. You have seen how the Valerion VisionMaster Max is not just a device, but a complete ecosystem overhaul for your home. You know the power of its 3,500 lumen output and the crucial role of the EBL algorithm in creating true black levels. You are ready to use the motorized lens shift to avoid resolution-killing digital correction. You now understand how to get that 4-millisecond gaming response and how to use the eARC port to power uncompressed Dolby Atmos audio. The compromises are over. The days of accepting a tiny, dim, or slow picture are done. You own the best. Now go and use that knowledge. Turn on filmmaker mode, check that eARC port, and witness your content transformed into an unforgettable, life-size cinematic event.